Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Riot Games customer support. If you need help with your Riot Games account, firstly open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down riotgames.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of the Riot Games, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this icon that says player support and select that. And over here, once the content loads, you need to scroll a bit down and click over here, submit a ticket. So over here, you can choose the game that you need help with, as I'm going to select this Valorant here. And after that, you can select for the category. You can simply select the issue. And after that, you need to fill in the required information, including your detailed description here and your platform you're requesting. And you need to select your inquiry. After that, you need to type down your subject and the description if you have any. And if you want to drag and drop or click to choose files, you can also attach supported files here. And after you're done with it, you can click over here that says submit. And that is it. That is how you can contact Riot Games support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.